Welcome all. This is our lecture 33, and in this lecture, we will know about aligning picture. First of all, we will see how to insert a particular picture and what kind of alignment or what kind of things we can done with a particular picture or a graphics. So let's start today's topic. Picture, sometimes it's called a picture. It's a visual object. We can take pictures from your digital camera, from your smartphone, and we can scan a document that will become a picture as well. Okay, any clip art that is also come under the category of picture. Now we will know about the alignment of a picture or word art or text box or any graphics. First of all, we will know how to insert a particular picture. As we have seen in the previous lecture of table, we have used and we have click on insert, and as you click on the insert menu, you will find picture as well. Okay, and you can, okay, so by this you can insert a picture. Clear? Now here we will cover a topic that if on your screen there are two or more objects or two or more pictures available on your screen like this, and you want to select all these, there are multiple images, I want to select all these pictures at once. So you can control or you can select all these by holding the कंट्रोल. आप कंट्रोल की को कीबोर्ड में होल्ड करके रखिए और पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करते हुए जाइए. बाय दिस यू कैन सिलेक्ट मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. बाय दिस इज द शॉर्टकट टू सिलेक्ट मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्ट्स एज वेल. Clear? This is the another shortcut. Now हम देखें कि अलाइनमेंट कैसे करें, अलाइन कैसे करें पिक्चर को. आपको पिक्चर को अलाइन करने के लिए पिक्चर पर जाइए, पिक्चर फॉर्मेट को क्लिक करिए एंड पिक्चर टूल्स में फॉर्मेट. ओके, we have some drawing tools as well, we have some align tools also. Just look at this, you will see and you will find this particular save format window. Okay, and by clicking on this alignment you can align a particular object. That particular object could be a picture, could be a object, could be any object, could be any graphics, or could be any word art or any text box also. Clear? Here are some important things to know. अगर हमारे पास अलाइन ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है, मे बी कुछ वर्जन्स में 2013 वर्जन के साथ तो हमारा अलाइनमेंट ऑप्शन आ रहा है. मे बी अगर आपके पास अलाइनमेंट ऑप्शन के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं आ रहा है तो आप क्या करें, तो उसको मैनुअल हम लोग अलाइन कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमारे पास टूल बार में ही अवेलेबल है, लेफ्ट अलाइनमेंट, सेंटर अलाइनमेंट and right alignment. Then you can select left, right, center, top, middle from the given toolbar. Clear? And bottom as well. You can see, you first of all you have to select the drawing tools, and by clicking on drawing tools, click on format, and as you will click on the format, you will find an align option here. Okay, and from here you can align left, center, right, top, bottom, middle. You can select as per your need. जैसा आप चाहते हैं आप वैसा अपनी पिक्चर को अलाइन कर सकते हैं. Okay, there many other options are also available. Clear? So by these steps you can align your particular picture or graphics. So class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.